Imagine if the key to wealth had been right in front of you your entire life, hidden in plain sight. And what if I told you that the Bible isn't just a spiritual book? It's a manual for prosperity, the words that many associate with. Faith also carry the secrets to transforming your financial reality. Some of the wealthiest people in history lived by these principles. They didn't chase luck, they practiced belief. Most people wait for proof before they believe. They say, if I had money, I'd invest. If I had connections, I'd succeed. But that's not how the world works. Faith comes before achievement. I've seen it countless times. Ordinary people with no advantage, no education, no network, who changed their lives completely because they decided to believe. And I've seen talented people waste their potential because they doubted themselves. What separates them? Faith. There's a timeless truth. Whatever you desire already exists for you, but you must believe it first. Not surface-level belief. However deep, unshakable conviction that doesn't depend on circumstances. Think about how many dreams you've abandoned because they seem too big. How many opportunities you've let pass because you thought you weren't ready. How many times have you told yourself that success and abundance were for others, not for you? I understand that feeling. I was there. Furthermore, I was a firefighter earning little living average, believing my reality would never change, until one day, I read something simple yet powerful. If you can see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hand. That line changed everything, because I realized my life wasn't limited by what I saw. It was limited by what I believed. So I began to act as if I already had what I wanted, not by spending money I didn't have, but by thinking differently, moving differently, studying those who had already achieved it. And slowly, my reality began to shift. Science now confirms what faith has always known. The human brain cannot distinguish imagination from reality. When you believe deeply enough, your mind starts building the world you see. Stay strong. I'll see you in the next video.